In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all emails on Gmail. If your inbox has become overwhelming and you're ready for a clean slate, this walkthrough will show you the fastest, most reliable way to remove everything at once. Keep in mind, when you delete emails in Gmail, they're moved to trash first and are permanently removed after 30 days. That built-in buffer gives you time to recover anything you didn't mean to delete, so you can proceed confidently while still having a safety net. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. To make sure you capture every message across your account, not just what's in your inbox, look to the left-hand menu, click More to expand the list of labels, then choose All Mail. This view aggregates everything: inbox, sent, archived, and labeled messages. Working from All Mail is important because it ensures nothing gets left behind, especially items that aren't currently in your inbox but still take up space. At the top left of your message list, just above your emails, you'll see a square selection box. Click that checkbox. This selects all the conversations currently visible on the page. Right away, you'll notice a blue notification bar appear near the top that confirms something like all 50 conversations on this page are selected. That's Gmail telling you it's only grabbed what you can see for the moment. To select absolutely everything in your account, look in that same blue bar for the follow-up option that says select all number conversations in all mail. Click that link. Now you've expanded the selection from a single page to your entire mailbox, no matter how many messages you have. Next, click the trash can icon along the top toolbar to delete the selected messages. Gmail will begin moving all of them to trash. If you have a very large mailbox, a confirm bulk action pop-up may appear. Click OK to proceed. Depending on volume and your connection, this can take some time, so don't worry if it doesn't finish instantly. Avoid refreshing or closing the tab while Gmail processes the request. Once the action completes, your all mail will be empty and everything will be in trash, awaiting automatic permanent deletion after 30 days. If you spot something you didn't mean to remove, you can restore it from trash during that window. That's it. Simple, comprehensive, and effective. Enjoy your clean slate and the clarity that comes with it.